Hello you all, welcome back to as well. We have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and send a message on Tinder. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you would do, people, you will simply gonna go ahead, access your Tinder on a mobile phone first. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account where you would like to start a chat or send a message to someone. Afterwards, first step would be for you to like some profiles. Like, if you don't have any matches, whom you gonna text, whom you gonna message? And what is the matches? Let's say I like this person's profile, it's a like, and that person also likes my profile. That means it's a match. We are mutual, we have allowed each other, and we have liked each other. It works the same way like in real life. When you like someone and they also like you, then your conversation goes ahead, reciprocates. Like, if I like you, I say hi, and you also say hello if you like me. If you don't, you ignore, and we do it too. Again, that's the same thing. You like, if they also like you, it will be a match. And in the chat icon given below, you go and here will be all of your matches queue. You can find all of the profiles that you have matched with. You can type in hi, you can type in flattering message, a pickup line, good one, and then you can start messaging each other. So that would be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on our next video.